How to save Snapchat filters and lenses. Let's see in this video. Before getting started, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more updates from us. Now let's get into the video. First of all, you need to open up your Snapchat application and you need to log into your account. Once you are logged in, you will be able to see this interface from where you can take snaps of anything. In the lower section, there are various filters and lenses over here. So if you want to save a certain lens, then you have to select the lens first. So in the left hand side of the upper section, there is the profile of the lens with drop down sign. You have to simply tap on that. As you tap on that, you'll be able to see this interface. So in the right hand side, there is a heart option. You have to simply tap on that. And by doing that, it has been added to favorites. You can see there is a pop-up from the upper section. And by doing that, you can try other lanes and do the same for all the lanes. So this is how you save Snapchat filters and lanes. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel for more updates from us. Thanks for watching.